Boys, this is explaining the division sums that you have done, hopefully. If you were a little bit confused, this video will be really helpful for you. If you weren't confused and you found that you could do them really quickly, you can just look at the answers, and I'm going to post a picture of the answers. So to start with, up here, A. So my dividend, 53 divided by 7. So I start off with, how many groups of 7 in 5? There's absolutely none. So I put a 0 here and I bring over my 5. Now I have 53. How many groups of 7 in 53? So I count up in sevens as close as I can to 53. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49. I can't go any higher than that. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now I will have a remainder. What's the difference when I take 49 from 53? I get a remainder 4. Next one, 80 divided by 5. So I'm just going to start by doing the OR shape to solve it. So 5 and 80. How many groups of 5 and 8? Well, there's 1. When I take 5 away from 8, I'm left with 3. So I bring it over here to my 0. I now have 30. How many groups of 5 in 30? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. 6. So there's my answer. 80 divided by 5 is 16. Question C. 78 divided by 6. How many groups of 6 in 7? 6. I can't go any higher, so it's just 1. When I take 6 away from 7, I'm left with 1. Now my 8 is worth 18. How many groups of 6 in 18? 6, 12, 18. 3. D. This looks like a top-heavy fraction. I'm going to change it into an OR shape division sum. How many groups of 7 in 9? 1. When I take 7 away from 9, I'm left with 2. How many groups of 7 in 21? So we count up in sevens. 7, 14, 21. So perfect. 3. E. 46 divided by 3. How many groups of 3 in 4? 3. Just 1. When I take 3 away from 4, I'm left with 1. So now I have 16. How many groups of 3 in 16? I'm going to count up in threes as close as I can. 16. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When I take 15 from 16, I'm left with 1. 15, remainder 1. F. 86 divided by 6. How many groups of 6 in 8? 6. Just 1. When I take 6 away from 8, I'm left with 2. Now I have 26. How many groups of 26 can I get out of... How many groups of 6 can I get out of 26? 6, 12, 18, 24. I can't go any higher, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4. When I take 24 from 26, I'm left with 2. 14, remainder 2. This is question G. 88 divided by 3. How many groups of 3 in 8? 3, 6, 2. When I take 6 away from 8, I'm also left with 2. And I bring it over here to my 8 tens. Now I have 28. How many groups of 3 in 28? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27. I can't go any higher. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 27, take away 28, will leave me remainder 1. I'm just going to circle that answer because I don't want to confuse with my counting above. Here's my dividend, 57. 57 divided by 2. How many groups of 2 in 5? 2, 4. Just 2. When I take 4 away from 5, I'm left with 1. How many groups of 2 in 17? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 16. What's the difference between 16 and 17? 1. And that will be my remainder. Remainder 1. Here. So GHI. 95 divided by 4. So 4 and 95. How many groups of 4 in 9? 4, 8. I can't go any higher, so that is just 2. When I take 8 away from 9, I'm left with 1. How many groups of 4 in 15? 4, 8, 12. I can't go any higher, so that is 3. When I take 12 away from the 15, I'm left with 3. 23, remainder 3. And the last one, J. 77 divided by 5. So the number I'm splitting up is my dividend, which is 77. And I'm splitting it up by my divisor, 5. So I'm going to just do the OR shape to help me solve this one. How many groups of 5 in 7? 5. Just 1. When I take 5 away from 7, I'm left with 2. How many groups of 5 in 27? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. 5 groups. Take 25 from 27 and I am left with remainder 2.